Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Hanif Nazmi bin Azam. My metric number is 01DKM21F2004.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Alif Shah bin Muhammad Daniel Chia. My registration number is 01DKM21F 2009.
Assalamualaikum and hello, my name is Muhammad Shabil Alif bin Saiful and my matrix number is 01DKM21F 2003. Now, I will continue with our presentation. This presentation is about differentiation, and in this page, I would like to inform some of the contents in the presentation we provide. As you can see in this content, there are 16 you must know. The first one is team role and responsibility. Second, introduction of differentiation. Third, technique of differentiation. Fourth, example of application of differentiation. Fifth, question and solution for all question and graph. And lastly, summary.
This is our team roles and responsibility. Hanif Nazmi role is to find point for the summary and as an editor for the slide presentation. My role is in solving calculation on question 1 and 2. Shabil role is to manage team roles and responsibility. I will start our group presentation with introduction of differentiation. What is differentiation? In calculus, differentiation is one of two important concepts apart from integration. Differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of a function. Differentiation is a process where we find instantaneous rate of change in function based on its variable. The most common example is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time, called velocity. The opposite of finding a derivative is anti-differentiation. If x is a variable and y is another variable, then the rate of change of x with respect to y is given by dy dx. This is the general expression of derivative of a function, and it represented as f inverse x equal to dy dx, where y equal to fx is any function. Example of application of differentiation in real life. Differentiation can be used to check temperature variation, to calculate profit and loss in business using graph, to derive many equations in physics, to determine speed or distance covered, and describing the movement of electricity.
Hi, now we go for the question 1. The question 1 is differentiation equation. The question is y equal to 3x cubed minus yx squared. We got 7 steps to solve this problem. Step 1, just write the equation back, and then step 2 is differentiation. Differentiation is dy over dx is equal to 9x squared minus 18x. And then step 3, by using calculator, you need to find x. After you calculate, you will get x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 2. Then step 4, step 3. Substitute x in equation y, and you will get y1 is equal to 0 and y2 is equal to negative 12. And step 4, the stationary point. The stationary point of x1 and y1 is 0, 0, and x2, y2 is 2, 12. Then, guys, you must find second order. How to find second order? You must use the first order equation. Dy over dx is equal to 9x squared minus 18x. So the second order differentiation equation is d square y over dx squared equal to 18x minus 18. So you will, by using calculator, you need to find x. After you calculate, you will get x1 is equal to 0 and x2 is equal to 2. And I mean, step 6, you need to find minimum point and maximum point. How do you find minimum point and maximum point? You must use second order equation. The second order equation is d square y over dx square equal to 18x minus 18. So you will get the answer as shown at the slide. Step 7 is the stationary point or turning point. The turning point of x1, y1 is 0, 0, and turning point of x2, y2 is 2, negative 12. And remember guys, e- after you solve this problem, you must draw graph for this equation to get a bonus mark or to get a full mark for this question. Remember guys.
Okay, hi. Today I want to find the solution for question 2. Question 2. The question is y equal to negative 2x cubed plus 9x square plus 3. Okay, first you must find the gradient of curve. You must to differentiate the first equation and you can get negative 6 square plus 18. Okay, at stationary point dy dx equal to 0. Okay, next you must factorize the first equation and you can get two value of x. Okay, the first x you can get x equal to 0 and x equal to 3. Okay, the next step is you must change the value of x in the first equation and you can get y equal to negative 2 times 0 cube plus 9 times 0 square plus 3 and you can get y equal to 3. When x equal to 3, y equal to negative 2 times 3 cube plus 9 times 3 square plus 3 and you can get y equal to 30. Nature of stationary point, you must to differentiate the second order and you can get negative 12x plus 18 at point 0, 3 dy dx negative 12 times 0 plus 18 you can get maximum point is 18 at point 3, 30 dy dx negative 12 times 3 plus 18 and you can get maximum point is negative 18. Coordinate of stationary point is equal to 3 equal to 0, 3 and 3, 30 and you can get the graph same with this. Okay. Okay, the conclusion is differentiation is a method of finding the derivative of a function. Differentiation is a process in math where we find instantaneous rates of change in function based one of its variable. The most common example is the rate change of displacement with respect to time, called velocity.
In this page, I want to explain about stationary point. Stationary point is a function is said to be increasing when its gradient is positive and decreasing when the gradient is negative. Second, a stationary point occur on the curve of a function when the gradient at that point is 0. Lastly, stationary point can be maximum point, minimum point, or point of inflection.
Okay, thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.